Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here to talk about a sale I'm hosting for Nick's Crafty Corner. She's moving and she's reached out to a few ladies to see if we can sell some of the items that she has. I said, sure, send it my way. So the date is May 3rd, time 1 Pacific, 2 Mountain, 3 Central, and 4 Eastern. U.S. sales only, and you must pay the shipping. So I'm here to kind of show you what she's got, guys. And I'm not going to go through everything. I'm just going to kind of pull out. It's from dollar items at Dollar Tree. Guys, right now it's $1.25 most Dollar Trees. But look at this pack of goodness. If you are into stickers, they are here. Here's are some more. A lot of stickers, guys. Mostly stickers, I'll say that. So, but it's a deal. It's got some bling. Some of these like this. Lots and lots and lots of good deals. Lots and lots of good deals on this stuff, guys. I mean, it's only asking $1. Right now at the Dollar Tree, you're paying $1.25. There's name. Let's see. There's some more. There's Dollar Tree in here. Let's see. I'll grab this one big. This is to make sure. There's Dollar Tree in here. There's Stickos in here. There is We Are Memory Creepers. There are Stickles. Some I didn't even know of. Create a Cosmo Cricket. I can't read that one because I covered the tag up. There are Hobby Lobby ones in here. You know, there are all sorts of stickers. So that's the dollars, guys. Right there. That was all the ones that she had for $1. And then I got this all organized. So boom boom. Then there are some $1.25. No, $1.25. And then some $1.50 ones. That's just an example. There. Whole bag's full. Let's see. Like this is a K and Company or EK. I mean, there is all sorts of different stickers, guys. Big ideas. That's a $1.50 bag. Let's see. This $1.50 bag. Stickers and K and Company. I mean, it goes on and on. A lot of butterflies. Look at them pretty butterflies. And we got, let's see, some $2 ones. Let's see, Dear Lizzie stickers. I mean, they're so nice, guys. I mean, look at that. All that wonderful goodness in that bag there. Here's $2. Like another $2 bag. All that goodness. Look at that. And for being a purchaser during her sale, or her sale basically. Here, and I made this rule up is, you have to buy something because she has 2 giveaways, so you have to also include it. So guys, I hope to see you there on my channel on May 3rd. I'm going to put this back here. Here we go. May 3rd at 1 Pacific, 2 Mountain, 3 Central, 4 Eastern. USA sales only. You will be responsible for the shipping. I cannot hold it for you. It's another thing I want to be very, very specific about. These are not my items. I will expect payment within 2 days after the sale. I will not hold it after that. It will go back up, and if I have to do another quick sale of the Nick stuff, I will do that. But I will not hold it till you have a payday. So that's why I decided to do this video today. So if you want to hang on to some money and have it put aside for this awesome sale that's coming up on May 3rd. Okay? If you have any questions, please contact me at tinascraftylife@gmail.com, and I will be happy to answer them for you. But I'm going to let you go, and I hope to see you at Nick's Crafty Corner's sale I'm hosting. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Thanks for watching.